Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm showing you how to create gorgeous wedding invitations that are budget-friendly, stylish, and super easy to make. You'll get 5 free wedding invitation templates, SVG files, and printable envelope plus liner templates in multiple sizes like A1, A2, A4, and A7. I also have a step-by-step tutorial on how to make your own envelopes. Check the link in the description below. If you haven't used Canva before, it's an amazing tool for designing invitations. Instead of spending hundreds on custom designs, you can use editable templates to create something beautiful in just a few clicks. I've got 5 free wedding invitation templates ready for you. Just click the link in the description. Download the PDF and start customizing. You can edit the text, play around with fonts, and download your design as a print-ready PDF. If you're looking for even more options, check out my website, amydesigntemplates.com, or my Etsy shop, Amy Templates. I have hundreds of fully customizable wedding invitation templates, whether you love boho, modern, minimalist, or floral garden styles. You can try the free demo before purchasing to see how easy it is. All my website templates are editable in Corjl, which works just like Canva. No software needed, just edit right in your browser and download instantly. Now, let's talk about 3 fun ways to make your invitations even more beautiful using my free templates. Want a luxe touch? Just apply a little white glue to the edges and press on gold leaf for that extra shimmer. Finishing touches, ribbons, wax seals, and dried flowers can completely transform your invites. Navy and gold make a stunning color combination for a wedding suite. This classic pairing looks especially elegant when you match gold leaf edges with a navy envelope. If you're looking for a timeless and sophisticated design, this is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching. If you love DIY wedding ideas, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more creative inspiration. Next time, I'll be sharing how to make a DIY boho-style wedding bouquet, so stay tuned. See you in the next video.